Did you know you can earn real money just by sharing links? With Monetag, every time someone clicks your link and views the ads, you get paid. And if you own a website, you can earn even more by placing ads directly on it. This isn't some scam, it's 100% legit. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Click the link in the description and go to monetag.com. Hit sign up at the top right. Click continue with Google for a one-click sign up. Enter your name, country, and info. Make sure it's correct, as you might have to verify your ID for payments. Double check your details before clicking the Continue button. Choose how you'll earn. You'll see these three earning options: website, Telegram, social traffic. Don't have a website or an app? No problem. Choose social traffic. Tell Monetag how you'll get your traffic. Tip: just write social media. It works great. Complete the last question, how you found them. Just put YouTube. Agree to the terms, do the CAPTCHA, and click sign up. Boom, you're in. Monetag pays you in 4 main ways: sites, Telegram mini apps, direct link, and referral program. Let's first focus on the easiest one, direct link. Click add direct link to get your special Monetag link. This link contains ads. Share it across social media, Facebook groups, Reddit, Quora, Telegram, anywhere with lots of eyes. Secret traffic hack. Search Facebook for AI images group and join some active groups. Use ChatGPT or another free image generator to create a cool AI image. Ask ChatGPT to write an engaging description related to the created image. Add your Monetag link to this description. Upload the image and description in the group. Publish and watch the clicks roll in. The more unique your post, the better your results. Repeat this strategy on Reddit, Quora, Telegram, and WhatsApp for the best results. Crucial tip: don't click your own link. It's against the rules. Jump over to the site section. Click Add Site. Enter your website URL. To verify ownership, download the provided file and upload it to your website's root folder. Hit Verify in the Apply for Verification section. Once approved, you'll get multiple ad codes. Paste these into your website posts. Track your ad views and earnings under the Statistics section. Even a small blog or niche site can start earning with real, legitimate ads. Next, look up the Telegram mini apps section. Paste the link to your mini app or game, then click Add. You'll receive ad codes. Insert them into your app. Ads will appear in your app, and you'll start earning revenue for every view and click. This is great for developers to instantly monetize Telegram games with minimal effort. Next up is the Referrals Program. Copy your unique referral link and share it. Earn 5% of your referral's lifetime earnings, passive income. Time to withdraw your earnings. Click your profile icon, choose payment methods. Add PayPal, Skrill, or Payoneer. Each has a different payout limit. Choose what works for you. After adding your method, Monetag will send you a verification email. Just hit confirm and your money method is ready. Monetag is trusted with a 3.8 Trustpilot rating and a verified profile. Making money is possible. It depends on your effort, creativity, and consistency. This isn't about getting rich overnight, but with smart sharing, you can earn real passive income. Test it for yourself and tell me your results in the comments. See you in the next money-making video.